A single train crash changed rail travel forever. In 1988, a packed passenger train was speeding through Paris when suddenly the brakes failed. The driver desperately tried to slow down, but nothing worked. As the train barreled toward one of France's busiest stations, passengers were blissfully unaware of the impending disaster. Then, at nearly 100 kilometers per hour, the train crashed into the station, smashing through the platform and bursting through the wall. 75 lives were lost that day. But what shocked investigators was a small mistake during an emergency procedure that made everything worse. This tragedy led to a global overhaul of rail safety systems. A lesson: when safety systems fail, seconds can turn deadly.